Hi guys, welcome back, and this is Vic, and today I have again one of my dearest friend, and you see him whenever he comes out with some crazy thing that he's going to deliver to internet marketing, none other than Ryan Phillips. Hi Ryan, how are you doing?
Very well, thanks, Vic. Hey, everyone. Happy to be here. Happy to share some value where I can. And hopefully the guys that are watching this will get some benefit out of it.
I'm sure they will. So guys, the reason we are here today is Ryan is coming up with a very fantastic product. It's actually a product like, see, there are two things. One is traffic and one is conversion. So traffic is that, free and paid. Most of the people out there are actually giving you tools. I almost have almost all those courses and tools, but what if you have the traffic and you don't convert, so you're not making money? That's the ultimate aim. And Ryan actually created something. He actually cloned what sites like Facebook and other biggies were doing with the power of videos. So he has got it right there for you, and I want Ryan to, going back to you, can you just, how did you come up with this idea and what's the name of this beast? Can you just give a little brief about the background and the kind of results that you have with this?
Yeah, sure. So basically the backstory is we was launching a product, a video information product called Vid Central. And what we always do, because there's different ways to get traffic, we always look for, if we're getting traffic to our website or our sales pages, what can we do to maximize that traffic that we're getting? So, if we can get 1,000 visitors to our website and that equates to 10 sales, that's cool. But if we can, work on our website and work on our conversions, so that 1,000 visitors means we're going to get 20 or 30 sales, then, it's one of those things that's a no-brainer. And it can really make the difference between making money and losing money. So what we did is we said, okay, let's have a look at what some of the biggest websites in the world are using with video to help their conversions. And we can see if we can try it on our page, see if it helps. So we looked at sites like, all the big content sites that are getting thousands of visitors. We looked at Facebook, we looked at ClickFunnels, and we noticed that a lot of these sites are using sticky videos. And it's where, when a user scrolls down the page, the video kind of pops to the corner, and you still get that marketing message, you still get the sales message from the video, but people can browse, and it's just a nicer user experience. So we thought, okay, let's try it on our Vid Central page. Let's see if it increases conversions. And we tested it out. It increased conversions, and then we said, well, it's okay watching more of the video. It makes sense logically. The people that watch more of the sales video, they consume more of the sales message, you're going to get higher conversions. But what if we can add some marketing things to it that would help bump the conversions up even higher? So then, like during the launch, Chris, who's my business partner, he's the COO of our company, he's a developer, that's his background. He started tinkering around and he added, call to action bars with like a buy now button, some text and a sticky video, and it all scrolls down the page with the user. And it really kind of 10x, well, not 10x, but it really bumped our conversions up, huge increase of sales. I can actually show you the split test as
Why
well.
not?
I've got it up on my other screen if you want to see it.
I would love to see. I always want to show people what we are doing behind the scenes. And when it comes from you, I'm sure they'll love it.
Brilliant. So let me show you. I'll go on here and I'll share my screen. You can get like an insider's look on how to increase conversions of any web page now, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to click on.
After we are done with this, I would also want you to, if you can show us a demo. Obviously I'm using it now with all my pages, but if you can show the audience a little demo, what exactly are we talking about? Guys, this is a game changer in itself when it comes to making huge amount of profits or skyrocketing your conversions. Yeah, I think that'll be better. Why don't we show a demo first? So look at this. There's a video on this page, okay? And you may be watching this video. And if in case I want to scroll down and I want to consume more details on the page and see what will happen then.
Exactly. So this is what we used on our split test. So I've just paused this. This auto plays, okay, but I've paused it so it doesn't talk out. But if I scroll down the page, we'll see that the video goes to the bottom right and there's some marketing actions here. At the time, because this offer's closed now, we don't have the countdown timer. We had a countdown timer, a buy button, and some marketing text. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. So this page, if you have a look at the URL at the top,
Okay,
It's
so
yeah.
what's happening is, Ryan, the video is coming behind your video right here on Skype. So if you can show them the JV page demo, I think that was on the top of the page, so I think they can see that.
Oh, cool. Yeah. So one of the things in our software, you can have the sticky video at the bottom or the top. So
Yeah,
this is a
yeah, I know.
different page. This is our JV page, and on this one, the video's at the top. Again, I've paused this video, but if I scroll down, it's the exact same thing. So the video will play on the
Yeah,
left.
so
We've got
yeah,
text.
just right there. Hold on. So guys, what you see is what I want to show you, and you will actually be watching this video interview, and if you scroll down right now, you will find the exact same thing happening with this video. Not only this, but with all my videos from now on. And why? Because it's very easy to do. It's actually less than 2 minutes that I can set this up. And if Ryan, I hope we can show them a demo also, if you don't mind. How do we actually create it in just a go? And then look at the buy now button or the other call to action button and the message that we have out there for any kind of message that we can put, and that will surely skyrocket the conversion. Please, Ryan, you can show us those results of the split testing that we were talking about.
Sure. So if I bring this across, I'll just make this bigger. So this is the result. So and by the way, just for people that are split testing, when you do your split test, instead of doing a 50-50 or an A/B split test, you actually get more accurate results, more accurate data if you do what's called an ABBA split test. So 25, you only test one thing at a time. So you can see here where it says URL, we only have two URLs. We have
Okay.
/ 5 days only. That was the URL that had the sticky video on. And then we had / 5 days only D. And that didn't have a sticky video on. That was just the normal sales page. Now we
Okay.
sent 25% of the traffic to a sticky video page, 25% to the normal page, another 25% to the normal page, 25% to the sticky video page. So we're only testing sticky video versus non-sticky video, but we don't send 50% of traffic to each because we get less accurate numbers. So with all your split tests moving forward, split the test up with it into quarters, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. And you can see over here, we've got our visitor count. We sent over 2,000 clicks, so it is a legitimate split test. You can see our conversion rate and our sales count. Now, the important thing, obviously, is the sales count. So with the sticky video versus the non-sticky video, the sticky video 30 plus 38 sales, so that's 68 sales.
Right.
And the page that did not have a sticky video on produced 27 plus 26, which is 47, 48, 49, 50. 53 sales.
53 sales, right.
So if we go over to this website, the percentage increase calculator, we got 53 sales from a non-sticky video on the sales page versus 68 sales if we used a sticky video on the page. The difference was 15 sales, and that's a 28% increase in sales by using a sticky video. And of course, that's not including any of the upsells or anything else. That's just on the front end. So using a sticky video gave us a 28% increase in sales compared to not using it. And the great thing is it takes 2 minutes to set up. It works on mobile, and it's one of those things that's a no-brainer. If we can just spend, a minute or two to set something up and it's guaranteed to increase our conversions, then I recommend that everyone does it and everyone uses it.
Who shouldn't have this? I mean, you've done all the hard work, you've created a fantastic video, you've got all the traffic. Now, why not we convert more with the same traffic that you have? I'm not asking you to get more people, more visitors. Same visitors, but more sales with just 2 minutes of an extra work. Who wouldn't want to have that? Why don't we actually go out there and see a demo of this 2 minute setting up of stick videos?
Sure. So if I head over to, now this is going to test my memory of the URL for this. If I go to app.stikivid.com, here we go. So this is where we log in. I'm just going to click on sign in.
Yep.
And so right now, we'll just wait for this to load.
No problem. So that means you're taking good amount of care of your memory because it really worked.
Yeah, so right, here we go. And I know that when we do demos and we're doing a live stream or a Skype, it goes a bit slower. So just bear
I
that in
know, I
mind.
know,
But
I know.
this is the dashboard. So if we wanted to create a sticky video, all we do
Right,
is we click on create new sticky video. And here we select the name of it. So let me just put Vic test, and I'm going
yep,
to click next.
yep.
Then we select a video. So we can either choose a video from our media library. If you want to add a new video, we can add a video from Vimeo, from YouTube, from an MP4. You can get videos from anywhere. I'll just select the JV video on here, and I'm
Right,
going to click on next.
right.
And now we can select a template. Now, this is a good while before we actually launch. So right now we've only got a few templates in here. Over the next 2 to 3 days, just for your kind of peace of mind, Vic, we've got several different templates for each of these marketing call to actions. So we've got buy now buttons, we've got opt-in templates, countdown templates, and share templates. Now, if I go on the buy now one, I'm going to use this one at the bottom because I want to have a headline, a sub-headline, and a button in the center. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click Create Sticky Video. So now I'm just going to go on View,
Okay.
and this is the sticky video that we have. So now over here we can see there's a desktop view. We can
Yeah.
see what it'll look like on a large tablet, what it'd look like on a small tablet, and what it'd look like on a mobile. Now you can see for mobile, there's no bar with marketing call to actions. Now we can select it to have that, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So if we go back to the desktop view and I'll click on edit banner,
Right.
we can have it pinned to the top, as you can see here. If I select bottom, that's what it looks like at the bottom. I'm going to keep it at the top,
Yeah.
and we can change all the colors and all of that. I'm going to keep the color black. The
Yeah, it's
border
looking
thickness
good.
is at the bottom. Let's say we make that a bit thicker because we want it to look, I think it'd look a little bit better. We can change the color of the border. Let's say we wanted a yellow color, and we select yellow. Now, if we go down, we can show the banner on desktop, large tablet, small tablet, or mobile. I can select if I want to show it on large tablet, small tablet, or mobile down here. And you can go through those settings, but if we just change this text so you can see how to use it, I'm going to click on heading, and I'll write in here headline text here. I'll click on subheadline, and I'll write other text here. And on the buy now button, let's say we wanted it to say, I don't know, a marketing call to action. So click here now. Let's say we wanted it to say. Now we put the URL where we want people to go to there, and we can change the size, the height, we can change the color, we can make it look however we want. And then all we have to do, I'm going to click on save changes over here.
Okay.
And if I click on preview, we'll see a preview window. So it's loading here. This is just a mock website so people can see.
Right.
And let me just wait for this to load. As soon as I scroll down, you'll see
Right.
that it goes straight to the top, and that's exactly what it's going to look like on our page, whatever we use it on. So, of course, you can use it on
Beautiful.
sales pages like we did to increase sales. You could also use it if you're a blogger or a content marketer. If you're doing reviews, you can have the video playing. Now, if we wanted it to be autoplay, which is what I recommend, we just head back over to the software. If I click on settings, I'm just going to select autoplay, click on save, and then the video autoplays instead of, you have to press play. So if I click preview again over here,
All right.
as soon as this loads, the video will autoplay. Ryan Phillips here.
I know.
And now
Yep.
you can see videos playing as and the call to action there.
Beautiful. And guys, I was just checking the time. It took actually less than 2 minutes. Even with a on a call right now that we were, it's fantastic. And look at the kind of opportunity that you have. You have your marketing message flowing in all across the page wherever your visitor goes. So I mean, look at that, with a call to action button and a super simple easy way to actually do it in under 2 minutes. Amazing. So once we are done with this, so how do we publish it?
Oh, so if you want to publish it, if I just go back to that Vic test video, all you do is you hit on here where it says embed.
Okay. And you simply
And
take the
we
embed
have to publish first. So I'm just going to hit publish. Sorry. So it says success. We're published, and then we have this code here. All we do is we copy this code into the HTML part of our website. So you can do this on ClickFunnels. You do it on WordPress. You can do it on your own
So
HTML sites.
these are just the normal embed codes that you can put it anywhere, right? Wherever.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if you was
Perfect.
using WordPress, Optimize Press, Converttree, ClickFunnels, instead of copying over the copy the embed code from Vimeo or from YouTube, you just copy this embed code in, and then you're good to go. And the good thing is as well, we have full analytics, so it shows 100% of people watch your video at 0 seconds, then maybe at 10 seconds that 100% viewers goes to 60%, and it's got full analytics, so you can see all of your numbers. You
Beautiful.
can split test these. You've got all of the things that you need to do to make this work for you.
Awesome, awesome. I really loved it. I loved it. Thank you so much for showing everything. Okay, yeah, I think we can just switch this off, and we can have you on the screen now.
Okay, no worries. So hopefully this isn't going to break the internet. Let's go back to conversations, click stop sharing screen, and
Okay, and
hopefully,
here we have Mr. Ren. Woo!
good stuff.
Got you. Okay, so now talking about we know this whole thing is like very fluidic, very easy to use, but everything boils down to one thing, which is like the pricing. So when we say pricing, so what is the early bird price, and when are you launching this? The date, time, and the price, and for how
Sure. So
long will that be the early bird on?
no worries. So we're launching this on Tuesday, the 30th of May. We're going to launch this at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price is going to be $37, but for the early bird, it's going to be $27. Now, when I say $37, that's the price it's going to be at, going through the later stages of our launch. We're going to launch it for 5 days. We start at $27 with the early bird. The early bird's going to be for a few hours. Then it's going to, so, you want to make sure that you check Vic's emails to find out the direct details. As soon as the early bird finishes, price jumps up to over $30, and we're going to incrementally increase the price. So it makes sense to get in early. You're going to get the biggest discount, and you're just going to, you're going to save a little bit of money, get hold of the software. You can start using it sooner as well.
For a one-time offer, guys, this is a no-brainer. I love one-time offers. I always recommend taking it at the early bird, as I'm gonna do that at the early bird. So take it at the lowest price, and of course, as always, I know you must be having some great products in the upgrades, but are they optional, and what are they all about? Can you just give us a little brief on that, so that everything is transparent here?
100%. So I'll go over real quickly all of the upsells. Now,
Yeah.
first thing to make you guys aware of is that you don't need any of the upsells for the front end product. The front end product's a standalone product, fully functional. You don't get anything extra inside of StikiVid by purchasing the upsell. So you get everything on the front end. Now, the first upsell is a membership site called Video Suite. Now, Video Suite it's a $97 per month membership site. If you get in on here, it's $27 a month. Now, the reason it's $27 per month is because it's our first launch of this membership platform. We open it up to 1,000 people. The first 100 people, it's going to be $27 a month. From 100 to 200 is going to be $37. 200 to 300 is going to be $47. And we keep increasing the price till we get 1,000 members in at a higher price point. Now, what's included inside of Video Suite is basically the ultimate video membership site for everything that you need. So there's 4 main areas. Number 1 is you're going to get our action map library. So the action map library is all of the video scripts, video swipes, and everything that we use in our business that you can get, and we add to that every single month. So that's going to be the first thing, and it covers 3 separate areas in the action maps: video traffic, video production, and video conversion. So that's what the 3 parts are included. Then you're also going to get What's Working Now. That's a monthly webinar with me, where I'll just go over with everybody what's working now in our business regarding video. So it's going to be a video campaign, a video Facebook ad, the ads that we run on YouTube with video. It might be me taking, a top selling product, having a look at their VSL, breaking it down, and then when we break it down, we actually put in the members area the script, the slides, the templates, so people can already take what's working now and just implement it in their business straight away. The third part of the membership site is what we call the Video Suite Toolbox. Now, the Toolbox is 3 separate software apps that we've not released that's only going to be available for the Video Suite members, and it's all to do with increasing conversion with video. And as anyone knows, all of our software is really high quality. You also get video assets. So every single month you get video files, you get audios, you get templates, everything that you need for video, and you get all of our help with that. So that's the upsell 1.
Awesome.
$27 per month.
That's
Upsell 2
huge.
is a StikiVid white label. So that means, we're not just going to give away rights where you can sell StikiVid and, it's all about branding and people will think, they'll think StikiVid and Video Suite. You can completely rebrand it, change all the colors, change the logo, change all of that good stuff and have StikiVid for yourself. And the reason why we want to do that is because it's such an easy sell for people that want to, that have video services or video clients that they do video for. If it's for a local business or an online business, complete no-brainer to use our case studies and say, look, here's a split test that we did. This increases your conversions. We'll put it on your website. We'll host it, and we'll, it's an easy kind of way to make money through using the software. That's going to be the white label. And then the other two upsells is Interactor, which is our interactive video platform, and the Interactor white label for anybody that wants that. So just a real quick recap. StikiVid is the product. You don't need anything else to make StikiVid work. The first upsell is Video Suite, which is our video members site where you basically get, all of the insider access to anything that we're doing video that you can model and copy. Plus, you get the software suite, the webinars with me, all of the assets that we put in there as well. Then there's the StikiVid white label, because we understand that a lot of people that purchase software, they have clients or they work with clients, they sell this stuff, so they can completely rebrand the Stiki Video software to sell it themselves. Then the final upsell is Interactor for anyone that wants to really 10x the video marketing and do interactive video. And then there's a white label option if people want to actually sell interactive videos to their people as well.
Amazing. So what I understand from the whole funnel, guys, as Ryan, kudos to you. He's always as transparent as I want people to be on this interview. We're not hiding anything, guys, and that's the main aim. I started the show, that before even you take any action, you need to know what exactly is going to happen once you click the buy now button. So you see, we've shown you the demo, we've shown you these stats, we've shown you all the things that you need to know before taking the right action. And that's the reason, I asked Ryan, who's such a busy guy and he has so many clients to handle and so many stuff happening around, but he was so kind and generous. He showed us everything plus the whole funnel. Now the whole funnel, to my understanding, and as a lover of videos, I loved each and every part of it. But as Ryan said, it's completely optional. It depends on how much you want from your video marketing campaign. If you really want to go like crazy, go take the Video Suite membership. I have seen something out of it and it's beautiful. And what he just told me with the webinar and the software suite and the training, of course, it's going to be a no-brainer at $27 monthly. So that's a simple no-brainer. Obviously, if you are like me or Ryan, you're into the selling of products, and if you have clients whom you want to sell your products, or services, you can give some more branding to your services. Get your own logo on this beast, which is like StikiVidreview with your logo and your company. So take the white label and you're good to go. You go out there, sell it. Charge anything. Brand is charging a very low price. Even a $97 is a no-brainer for this product, and everything is done for you. The only thing is you need to put in your own branding and go out there. And after that, Interactor and the white label Interactor is a proven product. So many hundreds of happy customers already there, over 12 years now in Ryan's club, and you can be one of them too. So you will love that software as well, because that was the first software I actually took from Ryan and I'm still having it. So, and he has done some crazy new advanced features and some upgrades, like earlier it used to be like you can only have the Amazon S3 videos out there. Now you can have like Vimeo, YouTube, any, from any source you can pull in the videos, skyrocket your conversions. And with white label of Interactor, again, if you're into selling mode, obviously you can take that. That's the whole structure that you'll find once you take StikiVidreview. But StikiVidreview is a standalone product, as we just discussed, and it's really proven. It really got those conversions right in front of you. We're not talking about BS stuff like lack of visitors, conversion, this, that. It was a very real case study shown right in front of you with a 2,000 visitors, split tested in a 25% ratio, and you saw we got 10 to 12 more sales with the same kind of page. Everything same, only used StikiVidreview instead of the normal video page. So that's all from us. And there's something that I missed, and that I should not miss. I should kill myself if I miss that. Is I'm also adding a great deal of bonuses with StikiVid that you will find all the details under this video. And of course, not to forget, you have a fantastic support desk of Ryan team that they will always take great care of you. So those were the two things that I think we missed. So check out all the bonuses, and when you scroll down, you'll find this video popping up on the top with a call to action button which says you can check out the product page of Stikividreview. Just go out there, click, see how you feel when you click that button. Is it fluidic? Is it not fluidic? And if you go land to Ryan's page, I'm sure you'll find something like that on that too, and you can test it again with a buy now add to cart button. See if that's fluidic. And if you go to the the payment page, obviously do take action at the early bird. So when are you launching, Ryan? Again, the date and the time, and then we can close it.
Sure, it's 11 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, the 30th of May.
Awesome. So start your week with Stikividreview. Okay, so this was it, and I'm so thankful for you, Ryan, for coming on such a short notice. I mean, it was like 10 minutes back we had a chat. When do you want to do it? I said now. Why not now? And Ryan said now. Okay, then let's give me 10 minutes. I said okay, I also need 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes we're right in front of you, and I couldn't let Ryan sit during the interview. I know you must be tired. You need to have some juice out there. But thanks again, and thank you so much, guys, for watching, and do take action when it's live. Stikividreview, and I'll notify you when it's live, because this video will be released before it's live. So at that time you can just click and register for some early bird discount if it's there on the page, but when it's live, just go out there, take it at the early bird. Thank you so much, and goodbye, take care, and have a great day. Keep smiling, because you look good when you smile. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks so much. Okay, bye bye.